The center touchscreen in your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y is crucial for navigation, media, and vehicle controls. Occasionally, it may freeze, become unresponsive, or display a black screen. Rebooting, either through a soft or hard reset, can resolve these temporary software glitches and restore functionality. As of late 2025, Tesla's V12 software updates have significantly reduced the need for reboots, but knowing how to perform them is still essential. A soft reset restarts only the touchscreen interface, addressing minor glitches without affecting driving. To perform a soft reset, first park your Tesla and engage park mode. Second, press and hold the power button on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black. Third, wait 1 to 2 minutes for the system to reload. This method is quick, non-invasive, and effective for frozen apps or display errors. A hard reset performs a more comprehensive reboot of the entire infotainment system. Use this method only for persistent issues. First, park the vehicle in a safe location. Second, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Third, simultaneously press and hold both scroll buttons on the steering wheel and the power button for 20 to 30 seconds until the screen powers off. Finally, release and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the system to fully reboot. Use a soft reset for minor issues like frozen apps or display glitches. A hard reset is suitable for persistent problems such as complete unresponsiveness or black screens that a soft reset doesn't fix. If issues persist after a hard reset, it may indicate a hardware fault, and you should contact Tesla service for a diagnostic scan. Remember to always perform resets while parked to avoid safety risks. Tesla's V12 operating system, released in mid-2024, includes over-the-air updates that have significantly reduced the frequency of required reboots. These updates address common glitches like screen freezes, unresponsive apps, or black screens. Tesla's internal bug reports and user feedback show a 30 to 40% reduction in required reboots compared to pre-2023 models. Keep your software updated to minimize the need for resets. Tesla is shifting towards software-driven solutions with AI-assisted diagnostics that predict and prevent touchscreen failures. V12 incorporates machine learning to optimize resource allocation, reducing freeze incidents. Experts predict a broader industry trend towards zero-touch EV interfaces, where AI handles issues autonomously. By 2026 to 2027, Tesla plans to integrate the touchscreen with its full self-driving FSD supervised software, potentially making manual reboots obsolete. Let's examine 2 real-world examples of touchscreen issues in Tesla vehicles. In the first case, a 2024 Model Y driver was using autopilot on a highway when the touchscreen froze completely, making navigation and controls unresponsive. A soft reset resolved the issue within 2 minutes, allowing the driver to continue safely. Tesla quickly responded with an over-the-air update, V12.0.2, which added freeze detection alerts to prevent similar occurrences in the future. In the second case study, a fleet of Model 3 vehicles in California experienced black screens during a software migration from version 11 to version 12. This bug affected the touchscreen display, requiring owners to perform hard resets to restore functionality. Fortunately, Tesla deployed an emergency over-the-air patch within hours, resolving the issue for all affected vehicles without the need for service center visits. These real-world examples demonstrate that while touchscreen resets are effective temporary solutions, they often highlight the need for ongoing software improvements and over-the-air updates to achieve full system reliability. Experts emphasize that reboots are a symptom of evolving software ecosystems. Elon Musk stated in 2025 that touchscreen issues are down 70% with V12. Tesla's 2025 Owner Satisfaction Survey shows that 15% of Model 3 Y owners reported needing a soft reset in the past year, down from 25% in 2024, and hard resets are required in only 2% of cases. Remember to consult a certified Tesla service center if issues persist after performing these steps.